Hello and welcome to cryptoTV. I am your news host Parvati Nirban and let's get into the world of crypto with English News Bulletin. Let's have a look at the headlines first. Coinbase crypto trading launch in India blocked by payment body. Cryptocurrencies recoup losses. Bitcoin trades near $43,500. Navi ABSL file for Metaverse, blockchain ETF funds of funds. HBAR Foundation launches $250 million Metaverse fund. RBI Deputy Governor says stablecoin are bigger threat than crypto. ESPN enters NFT game with NFL legend Tom Brady. Strike CEO announces Shopify integration for Bitcoin Lightning payments. New research shows 40% of youngsters want to use crypto for payments. Hours after cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase launched its trading service in India, the governing body that oversees banking and other payment systems in the country said it was not aware of any crypto exchange using UPI payments instrument. The suo motu statement from the payment body, a special division of India's central bank, underscores the trouble that other crypto exchanges in India have had to face with supporting UPI on their platforms. The NPCI statement appears to suggest that UPI is still a no-go for crypto in India. Coinbase, the world's second largest exchange by trade volume, on April 7, launched its trading operations for digital assets in India, saying customers will be able to purchase cryptos through the exchange by using unified payment interface, a payment method that now accounts for 60% of retail payment traffic in India. Holding and trading cryptocurrencies is not illegal in India, but the Reserve Bank of India, the country's central bank, continues to maintain that virtual digital assets must be banned. Coinbase is an investor in Indian crypto exchanges. CoinSwitch Kuber and CoinDCX, it did not identify the banking or fintech partners it is working with in India. Cryptocurrencies recovered some of the losses incurred yesterday, tracking stocks, which pointed to higher risk appetite of investors. US stocks ended slightly higher, with the tech-heavy Nasdaq ending in the green. The optimism for cryptocurrencies was also supported by US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen's comment reiterating the recent White House executive order that was well received. Yellen battled in favor of US crypto asset regulations that supported responsible innovation while managing risk. However, outlook on digital asset remains subdued amid expectation of steeper Federal Reserve rate hike to tamp down inflation. Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis President James Bullard Thursday said that the Fed would have to move forthrightly in order to get the policy rate up to the right level. Bitcoin was recently trading at around $43,500, up nearly 1% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, was trading at around $3,200, up over 1% in the similar time frame. Among the major altcoins, Solana and Avalanche were both trading higher by over 6%. Sachin Bansal's Navi Mutual Fund and Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund have filed separate ETF fund of funds with SEBI with an aim to help investors make gains from companies invested in Metaverse, blockchain, and virtual digital assets respectively. Navi Metaverse ETF fund of fund is an open-ended fund of fund scheme investing in units of overseas ETFs, which provide exposure to companies that are positioned to benefit from the advancement of Metaverse. ABSL blockchain and virtual digital asset ETFs fund of fund is also an open-ended fund of fund scheme investing in the units of ETFs focused on the global blockchain theme, including virtual digital asset like crypto and NFTs. The minimum application amount for Navi Metaverse ETF fund of fund will be Rs 500 and in multiple of Rupee 1. For ABSL ETF, the minimum application amount during the new fund offer period will be Rs 100 and in multiples of Rupee 1 thereafter. Navi scheme will be managed by Aditya Mulki, whereas ABSL scheme will be managed by Vinod Bhatt. The riskometers of both the schemes show them falling in very high risk category. The HBAR Foundation, a not-for-profit independent organization of distributed ledger firm Hedera Hashgraph, has announced the establishment of a $250 million Metaverse fund to drive consumer brand adoption of tokenized Web3 applications. The Metaverse fund will focus on four main sectors: blockchain gaming, the brands and collectibles market, sporting experiences, and institutional metaverse opportunities. The first grant from the new fund went to SAIL, a company that helps brands use non-fungible tokens and that has partnerships with more than 300 companies. The announcement made by HBAR Foundation comes just a week after the network launched a $155 million crypto economy fund focused on decentralized finance. The HBAR token is currently trading at $0.22, up by above 5% in the last 24 hours. Reserve Bank of India Deputy Governor T. Ravi Shankar has said stablecoins that are pegged to dollar are a bigger threat than crypto as it increases the risk of dollarization. Dollarization in economics refers to the domination of the US currency in the internal economy of a country or the alignment of country's currency with the US dollar. Ravi Shankar added, now there is no question whether to go for digital currency, but on how to go about implementing it because of the threat created by stablecoin. Explaining the other use cases of CBDC, Ravi Shankar said, the currency in circulation has risen from rupees 17 lakh crore at the time of demonetization to over rupees 30 lakh crore. If a part of the currency went digital, it would reduce cost and improve distribution efficiency. Ravi Shankar concluded that the talk at the ICRIER think tank session by saying that almost all central banks, including RBI, would need to approach CBDC in a calibrated and careful, nuanced manner. RBI is planning to come out with a central bank-backed digital currency using blockchain technology in 2022-2023. Sports broadcaster ESPN has partnered Web3 brand Autograph, co-founded by NFL legend Tom Brady, in multi-year deal to launch ESPN's first non-fungible token. The first NFT named Man in the Arena Tom Brady collection was dropped on Wednesday and is exclusively available to view on autograph.io and for sale on DraftKings Marketplace. The collection features 3 magazine covers, where 250 editions are marked at $100 each, 100 editions at $250 each, and 50 editions digitally by Brady at $500 apiece. Autograph has been working with many celebrities in sports and entertainment fields. Tom Brady, Tiger Woods, Wayne Gretzky, Simone Biles, Tony Hawk, Naomi Osaka and The Weeknd are just some of the big names that have signed up with Autograph to launch NFT collectibles. Strike CEO Jack Mallers unveiled a litany of high-powered partnerships for Bitcoin's Lightning Network at the Bitcoin 2022 conference in Miami on Thursday, including an integration with e-commerce giant Shopify. He said Strike would partner with Shopify's global network of merchants to allow for payments across the Bitcoin Lightning Network for those merchants who want to opt in. He said Strike would partner with Shopify's global network of merchants to allow for payments across the Bitcoin Lightning Network for those merchants who want to opt in. Moller said Strike also partnered with NCR, the world's largest point-of-sale supplier and payment firm BlackHawk. That's all for today's news. For daily news and updates of crypto world, don't forget to watch English News Bulletin twice a day only on cryptoTV. I am your news host Parvati Nirvan, signing off for now. See you tomorrow and have a wonderful day.